Hi guys, it's Femi here, and we're back with another unboxing video. Let's get straight into it. Today we'll be checking out the Sony MDR XB950s. We can find these headphones at around 6,500 naira on Jumia. Now let me just get this wrap off of it. Before I go on, please guys, subscribe to my channel and like this video. When you open the box, you are greeted with the name of your Bluetooth headset. Now taking the lids off and you are presented with the headphones. Just by seeing the headphones, you already know how cheap it is. It has a full plastic body. Oh, and I'm irritated by the wireless printed on the side of it. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have another leaflet written in Chinese and a carrying bag for your headphones. But this is a very whack carrying bag. Like, who would use this? Who would use this? Come on. How will I carry this thing? I'm carrying as I'm walking on the road. Well, am I? Go wrong now. But nonetheless, it's a nice thing for them to add the case in the back. And we also have a micro USB cable for charging, which in 2020 I think no device should use that port anymore. Let me just tidy up the table. Enter now. Enter. How did they put this thing inside safe? Enter. Whoa. Now back to the headphones. On the side of the ear cups, you have textured finish on the back, which is quite cool because it causes a gradient on it when light shines on it. For some reason, my unit is already scuffed up. I dislike the fact that I'm blinded by this wireless printed on it. Like, why? So what's my verdict on these headphones? For the price, it's quite good. The plastic is durable and it can take a little bit of beating. And I hope it does better with the sound quality.